Welcome. This is the user account. Okay, this is an admin. So we go straight to the users. You can always checkmate your users. Definitely to deactivate the account. That's the only thing it does here. So you can't change your password. This is the owners. You can see the user here. So you don't have any right to change others users. We call it a privacy concern. Maybe the user is proving stubborn, creating confusion or that you can't deactivate the account. You are the admin. You take responsibility for what's happening on your site. So make the world safer place. So it is smart enough. So you need it for your business. Create a safe space for everyone. So you can actually mass delete. If you want to delete an account, oh wow. No, not deleting everybody. Maybe Mary and all that. You can bulk delete. You can filter. Maybe you're looking for Mary. With time the account can grow to thousands. So be sure to scroll and scroll. All right, so it's just a simple control over the users. We don't have ban yet. Ban, just deactivate doesn't mean delete. Like banning. When you deactivate an account, let's say you deactivate, maybe you deactivate, see, it's like it's gone. It's like it's gone, but it's not gone. It's just like it's deactivated. You can reactivate it again. So what it does, if you go to profile, the user will not be listed. It's as simple as that. So Mary is nowhere to be found. You can now reactivate it if you want. You can reactivate it. Yes. You can reactivate it with deleted accounts, or let's say only deleted accounts. So alright, this is how you do it. Restore. See what I go to? Or you can also say only deleted accounts. It's not actually deleted, it's just deactivated. So when you restore this, it goes back to the normal list. Go here, it will not turn to 9 users. So this is how to remove a user from your space while still retaining their information. You can permanently delete that if you wish to. Alright, this is all for user accounts. Next will be gallery. Now we'll look at gallery in two ways: the physical gallery and through the dashboard. See you there. Thank you.